Welcome to a quick guide on how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Whether it's for a digital detox, an exam season, or just wanting to take a break from the constant stream of photos and stories, here's how you can hit pause on your Instagram presence. First off, open up the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once you're in, head to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon located in the right bottom corner of your screen. Now look towards the right top corner of your profile page. Here, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on it. This will reveal a list of options. From the options that appear, tap on Settings. Once in Settings, navigate your way to Privacy. Now you're in the Privacy section, look for the Account section within it. Tap on it to proceed. In the Account section, you'll find an option that says, Deactivate your account. This is what you're here for. Tap on it. You will now be asked, why are you deactivating your account? It's standard procedure, so just pick the reason that best fits your situation. Next, you'll be asked to re-enter your password. This is just to verify that it's indeed you who's making the changes. Enter your password here. Finally, tap on Deactivate Account. And just like that, your Instagram account will be temporarily deactivated. Remember, this is only a temporary deactivation. You can reactivate your account whenever you wish to. All you need to do is log back in and start using your account as you normally would. And that's it. That's how you temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to have a clear step-by-step guide. Whether you're taking a short break or a long hiatus, remember, your Instagram account will always be there when you're ready to return.